Hi guys, Terry Runyan here, creative encourager and visual artist. And today is Zebra Day in the Daily Creating group. So I thought I'd come on here and talk about this process I'm going to be doing. And the reason I'm doing this is because I got this big old chunk of washi tape that is the perfect stripes for a zebra. I also have a couple other sizes of black and white stripes. So I'm going to use these for my zebra, and I'm also going to use watercolor. I'm going to start with watercolor. So I did do a quick sketch, and I'll show that to you now. So that's my quick sketch, and I just wanted to get the direction of the stripes nailed down, but as far as the shape of the zebra, that's yet to be determined. I'm going to go ahead and get started. I plan on painting around the zebra shape to make the shape, and then adding the washi tape later and whatever else shows up. So let's get started. Okay, I got this general shape of this zebra done, and the neck got really long and the legs are relatively short, and it's just an interesting shape for a zebra. So luckily, none of this thinking I have about how this should look matters. I'm going to go ahead and continue on regardless of what I might be thinking about this zebra. Because I figure I don't have anything to lose in this. I'm playing with shapes, I'm playing with washi tape, and there's nothing to worry about here. What I'm doing is really being present with the process of creating. And it's not that in the moment I'm not having thoughts going by, but what I'm doing is noticing those without taking them as anything I need to listen to, or, there's certainly not anything I have to believe. Thoughts are so random. A lot of times they're habitual, but I know that creativity is there and is working no matter what thoughts are popping into my head. What I'm doing is playing with this creativity. That's what we're all doing, even when we think that something else is going on. So I'm going to continue on with this zebra now, and we'll see where it goes from here. Okay, I'm on my way with this. This is as far as my drawing went before I started painting this, so the rest of it's gonna just happen on its own. Who knows where these ideas come from? They just start showing up. I tend to be kind of a story person. I think that may have come from all my years as a greeting card artist, or just enjoying seeing things interact with each other. So that's possibly what's gonna happen here. I'm gonna have this zebra doing something with another character, but we'll see. Nothing in here yet. I'm gonna look at this painting and see what happens. Okay, I've got this thing done, and indeed, a bird did show up with a flower. Lots of flowers showed up, and now it's spring by the time I get this edited. So if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and I will be talking to you soon. Have a fabulous day.